Hello everyone. Property tab builder is used to add custom properties to SOLIDWORKS part, assembly, drawing and weldments. We can use summary information dialog box as well to add custom properties to SOLIDWORKS files. Summary information dialog box, but property tab builder is more faster and quicker. This was introduced after summary information dialog box, so it is new functionality comparing summary information dialog box. We can access property tab builder easily using task pane, using SOLIDWORKS resources. Click on SOLIDWORKS resources, then you can find property tab builder. So this is the property tab builder dialog box, and also you can access this dialog box using Windows start menu and scroll down to SOLIDWORKS utilities, SOLIDWORKS tools, and then select property tab builder. You can access this way as well, and also you can access this property tab builder using custom properties tab on task pane. When you click on custom properties tab, there is a button to create new custom properties, but you shouldn't have any existing custom property template for open file type. So for example, for this part file, I have created some custom property templates for part files, so I cannot access that command. Let's go ahead and delete these existing templates. Usually these templates are located in C drive and program data. Scroll down to SOLIDWORKS 17, language English, and there are 3 files. These 3 files that I have created, those are custom property files. So I will go ahead and click delete, and next I will close the SOLIDWORKS and open it up again. I will show you what I meant by deleting these existing custom property templates. Now I will go ahead and open this part file. Now we are in the part file environment. We have no any existing custom property templates. Now when you click on custom properties, here we go. You can see the message, a property page for part file was not found. Click create now. So when you click on create now, here we go, you have that property tab builder, and this is used to create an interface, SOLIDWORKS interface, to enter custom properties to SOLIDWORKS files. I'm going to create new interface in my next video using this property tab builder. Until then, bye everyone. Please like the video, add your thoughts into comment field, subscribe the channel to get new videos. Thank you for watching.